this video, we will present about our final project for the computer programming course BMM1312. The title for the project is SHM Energy Displayer. Now I will introduce my team member. Firstly, me, Afiq. Next. Hello, my name is Khalil. And then my name is Adzmir. Okay, now let's proceed to the program.
This program starts with a pre-processing directive, which is to load contents of header files. We use three types of header files in this program. First is stdio.h, which is to allow standard input-output operation. Next, we use math.h to allow math functions such as sine, cos, and power, and so on to be in this program. Next, we use chplot.h to plot graphs in this program. Okay, and then we define n value, which is a constant value throughout the program, to be 1000. Okay, now we will move to functions. Function is basically a collection of equations to be put in the program afterwards. So we declare all the functions here. First, for function we must declare the return type. Here we return type is the double type, and then we name the function. The name for this function is angular, and then we declare the arguments in the function, which is basically the input that we intend to put in the function. And then we put open braces to start the function statement. We declare the statement, and then we write the statement, which is the formula that we intend to put. And then we return the statement, and then put the close braces. It's the same for the velocity name function, but it's a bit different because we put another function in a function. So we must declare the input for the first function in the second function also. Then we move to kinetic function. It is also the same. We declare the input that we put in the previous function, and then we move to constant. It's same as previous, and potential, energy, and all is same as the previous. Next, I will pass to my friend to explain about the INT main.
Okay, now we will move to another part of this program. In this program, we use INT main to set the main function in this program. We also use braces, which indicates the block. In this program, we use array to run the program, and which is a constant which have value of 1000. Double is used because our program contains decimal values, meanwhile the INT is for integer values. Printf is an instruct for a computer to perform an action from a statement that we declare. For instance, in our program, we will use this statement: welcome to simple harmonic motion SHM energy displayer. Immediately, the program will show this to the users, and then the users will be asked to insert the value of frequency in Hertz. Scanf is used to accomplish precisely the input, which is the frequency, and then the frequency is used to calculate the angular velocity. And finally, the users will be asked to insert the value of amplitude in meter.
Okay, for this part, we make a do while looping. After that, we make a printf. Please choose graph of SHM problem, and this to ask the user what the graph the user wants. And then printf insert 1 if the system is full to maximum. We have insert 2 if the string is compressed to maximum, and then printf is a tree if the string is in normal state, and then printf initial x equal, and then scanf specifier d and xo. Okay, for this three part is to give a hint for the user what is the value that the user should put in the initial value of x, and the initial value of x will become the xo. We made the else if because we have three choices, and then these are first choices: to equal to 0.0, tf equal to 2.0 is the value of t, and then for we make a for looping to make a graph, and for I equal to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus, this is a statement, and then finding the value of t, ti equal to to plus I times tf minus to divided by n minus 1, and then finding the value of w equal to angular f, go up here, and then finding the value of w, and then return, and then finding the value of x, xi equal to a times cos w times ti, and then make a plot xy t x n assertion plot times s distance m. This to make a graph. T is a value of horizontal, x is a value for vertical, n is a point, assertion plot is a name of graph, and then time is the name for horizontal line, and then distance for the name of the vertical line. And then this is a second choices is all same, but the difference on finding the value of x, xi equal to negative a times cos w times t times I, and then this is third choices also same but different in finding the value of x. I equal to negative a times sine w times t I, and then else printf your graph should be displayed as your enter wrong input. If you input the wrong input, so this output will be out. Then printf please key in 1 to restart the program, or key other integer to continue. Scanf specifier d. This is to ask the user if the user wants to restart the program, please enter the value of 1, and then while j equal to 1, this is ending for the do while looping. Okay, from here I will give to my friend to explain it.
Here, it is important to keep in mind that the value of distance that user has to insert must be less than amplitude. For instance, we use amplitude 5 meters and the distance is 4 meters, which is less than amplitude. And then we will obtain the velocity as the output. After that, the users will be asked to insert the value of mass. Immediately, the user will obtain total kinetic energy, the constant, total potential energy, and total energy as the output, which can be shown here. Then the program is returned to 0, which means that the program has terminated normally.
Okay, that's all from us. I hope this program will be useful to all of you.